A lot of people ask me what's the best Christmas gift you could give to somebody.
No rain.
This is Naren conquering communication with you all. When it comes to paying money, buying a gift, there are millions and trillions of gifts people can think of as a best gift for Christmas. But if you're near your family, a fantastic gift you could give them is a genuine, deep conversation. Oftentimes, I feel when we're with family, we're staying so close, but we're far apart in communication. We don't talk about small stuff that we like or dislike, and never open our hearts up, even though we're living so close physically and in close proximation. So, this Christmas, a great gift could be a great conversation with your family. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays.